Let's go to page handout 717. And the reason I'm using the lined paper because I'm trying to keep things all lined up nicely. Okay, so number one, you have this stem and leaf plot. You got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then you have the 2, 3, 7. You got 0, 4, 4, 8. Then you have 2, 5, 5, 5, 9, 9. You got 0, 4, 4, 8, 8. Then you got 0, 1, 7. Okay. So part A, you looking for the median. So median is a middle number. Okay, so you just start from the lowest and the highest and you just go toward the middle. Okay. Okay, so here's your middle number. Okay, so your median is equal to 5. Okay. Okay, then next, let's go to, it's 25. So be careful, it's this one, okay, so it's 25. Okay, then you go to B, from the first quartile. So the first quartile is the middle number of the first half. Okay, so again, so you start from the lowest number and the middle number, and you just go toward the middle again. Okay, so go like this. And so this would be your first quartile. So it's, and don't forget it's 1 over here, so it's 14. Okay. And C, looking for the third quartile. Okay, so third quartile is the middle number of the second half. Okay, so you use the middle number and the highest number, and again you work toward each other, toward the middle. And so it'd be this one right over here. So it'd be 34. Okay. Okay, and then look for D, the range. The range is the difference between the highest and the lowest. Okay, so range would be 40. Okay, so range will equal to the 47, the highest number, minus the lowest number. So the range is equal to 45. Okay. Okay, and okay, let's go to number 3. Okay, number 3, you need to make a box and whisker plot for these. Okay. Okay, for number 3, so if you were to do a number line, okay, so here's your 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So what you do is plot the points. So the median is 25, so it's going to be right over here. Okay, and then the first quartile is 14, so it's about right over here. And the third quartile is 34, so it's about right over here. Okay, and so that's your box. And your whisker will go to the lowest number, which is equal to 2, right over here. Okay, so you can use your box, and whisker is the lowest and the highest. And your highest number is 47, so it's about right over here. Okay, so again, here's your median, here's your first quartile, and here's your third quartile. Here's your lowest number, and here's your highest number. Okay. And so that's your box and whisker plot. Okay, and let's see, number 5. Okay, the reason I go sideways so you can kind of match the, kind of make it easier to see. Okay, number 5. Which class has the highest median? Okay, so if you look over here, so here's your median. So the class 2 will have the highest median, the middle number. So A is 2. Okay, then B. Oh no, okay, no, it's not B. Okay, number 7. Okay, which class are the score in the middle half close together? Okay, so middle half is this over here. Okay, so the class 2 would have the middle half closest together. Okay, so this would be class 2. Okay. Okay, let's go to number 9. Okay, number 9. Okay, so you're giving a set of data and you're looking for the mean, the variance, and okay, so this one I'm going to start a new page over here. Okay. So number 9, with this, so you're going to analyze the data. So what you need to do is you're going to write the data vertically. Okay, so you're going to, and so this would be the number over here. So it'd be 1, 4, 6, 6, 7, 8, 8, 8. Okay, and you're going to need different columns. Okay, so first you need to do is you need to find the sum. So you're going to add all this together. Okay, so sum is equal to 48. Okay, then you need to find the mean or the average after that. Okay, so 48, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 of them. So 48 divided by 8 will give you 6. So that's your sum, and this is your mean, the average. Okay, now next what you need to do is, okay, so that's your A. Okay, A, the mean. Now to find the variance, okay, you have to go to the next column. You have to find the differential, okay, the D. Okay. So the mean is 6, and so D is the differential. So this is -5. So 1 is 5 below the average. This is -2. This is 0, 0. This is +1, +2, +2, +2. Then you have to do the D square. Okay, so this will give you 25. And this would be a 4, 0, 0, 1, 4, 4, 4. Okay, so again, you need to find the sum. Okay, so 25 plus 4 plus 1 plus 12 equal to 42. Okay, then you have to do the V. Okay, so variance, this is called the population variance. Okay, population variance, you just use this, you just find the average of these, so use this divide by that. So use 42, then you divide it by 8. Yeah, divide by 8. Okay. So variance will equal to 5.25. So this is your answer for B. Okay, then next, let's go ahead and do the C, the standard deviation. Okay, so standard deviation, we just square root of that. So once you find V, you just take the square root of that, and this will give you 2.3. Okay, if you run off, give you 2.3. Okay, so that's your part B and part C. Okay. Now, in some situation, they're going to ask you for the range. So you put a range over here. So range would be the difference between the highest and lowest. So 8 minus 1 will give you 7. Okay. Okay, so this is called a population variance. So population variance is just average of that. Okay, so there are 8 of them, so you divide by 8. So in this case, the population variance is equal to 42 divided by 8. We give you that. Now, a lot of time you will come across something called a sample variance. So the sample variance, okay, we just use 42 divided by 1 less than that. Okay, so this is n, and it would be n minus 1, so divide by 7. So in this case, the sample variance will equal to 6. Okay, so again, this is the population variance. This is the sample variance. So a lot of time you're going to come across these. Okay, so when you just see the word variance, that's just talking about the population variance. Okay. Okay. Yeah, let's go to 11. Okay, so you're going to do the same thing over here. So 11, you have 34, 42, 44, 70, 73, and 79. Okay. Okay, so you can first find the sum. So you got 34 plus 42 plus 44 plus 70 plus 73 plus 79 equal 342. Okay, and so your mean is the average, so just divide by 6, and you get 57. Okay, so that's your answer for A. Now it does not ask you for it, but they're just going to do that anyway. So the range is the difference between this and this. So use this minus that give you 45. Okay, and then you have to find the deviation. So deviation to just compare the two. So deviation. So just use this minus that. So give you negative 23. Okay, this will give you negative 15. This will give you negative 13. This will give you plus 13. Okay. And this will give you plus 16. This will give you plus 22. Okay. So double check. Okay, then you have to do the d square. So 23 square give you 529. Okay, and then 15 square give you 225. 13 square 169. Okay, 16 square 256, and 22 square 484. Okay, again you have to find the sum, adding all this together. Okay, so this will give you 1832, and the variance just average of that, so there are 6 entries, so divide by 6. So give you 305.3. Okay, and the standard deviation, just take the square root of that. Give you 17.5. Okay. And again, if you're looking for the sample variance, then you have to use 1832 divided by 7, divided by 5. Okay. So the sample variance will give you 366.4. So it's even higher than that. So again, this is a variance or the population variance. Okay. So in some problem, they will ask you for the sample variance, and so you have to divide by n minus 1. Okay, let's go to 13. Okay, so you have the 42, 46, 50, 50, 52, 54, 56. Okay. Okay, so again, first from the sum. Okay, so you have 42, 46, 50, 50, 52, 54, 56. Okay, so 350. And the mean, okay, is the average. So divide by 7 equal to 50. Okay, and the range is the difference between us would be 14. Okay, okay, then you're going to find the difference of differentials. Okay, so this would be minus 8, minus 4, 0, 0, plus 2, plus 4, plus 6. Then the d squared, this would give you 64, 16, 0, 0, 4, 16, 36. Okay, so you can find the sum. Okay. So 64, 16, 4, 16, 36, so equal to 136. Okay, so divide by 7. Okay, so variance is 19.4. And then the standard deviation, you take the square root of that, you get 4.4. Okay, and again, so if you're looking for the sample variance, you just use 136 divided by 6. Okay, again, always 1 less. Okay, so there are 7 entries, so sample variance you have to divide by 1 less, so divide by 6. And you get 22.7. Okay, so again, it's just something extra that you don't have to do, but it's just in case you come across. Okay, let's go to 15. Okay, so in the golf tournament, the 18 hole for the top 9 scores were, so again, same things. You just analyze the data, so you got 67, 69, 70, 70, 71, 72, 73, 73, and 74. So 9, right? Okay. And so again, you're looking for the mean, the variance, the standard deviation. Okay? And to the nearest 10th. Okay, so you want it up to the nearest 10th. Okay, so same thing. Just go ahead and work through. Okay, so first you add to get a sum. Okay, so you have 67, 69, 70, 70, 71, 72, 73, 73, 74. Okay, so 639. Okay, and the mean, now the capital M is used for the median. The average, the mean is used as cursive. Okay, so make sure you kind of do it correctly. Okay, so you have to divide it by 9. So you got 71. Okay, and again, you don't have to, but the range would be 7. Okay, okay, then let's find the deviation. So the difference would be, okay, so here's your mean and here's your number. So this would be a -4, -2, -1, -1, 0, +1, +2, +2, +3. And you have to square that so you can get rid of the negative. So this is 16, 411014449, right? So sum, I can add all together. Equal to 40, and so your variance, okay, will equal to, so 40 divided by 9, so you got 4.4, and the standard deviation would be square root of that, would be 2.1. Okay. Now again, this is something extra. If you're looking for sample variance, you're just going to use 40 divided by, so there are 9 entries, so you have to one less than that, so divide by 8, so give you 5. Okay, and that's it.